Yo. Oh, fuck. Here you go, Danny, bro. Woo. My shit. What's going on, Fast Life family? It's your boy Fast Life. Yo, what are you talking about? You gotta bring the energy, bro. You over here. Alright, so we about to get Americast installed. You gotta be like, yeah, bro, we about to get Americast installed. Like, bro, look at what the man got. Man got now sequential. And they have, oh, hold on. You don't want to show your address. Don't want to leak your place before people pull up to your place unexpectedly.
And do
And
what?
we got the...
Get blicked?
Alright, bro. Alright, cool. You got that. You gonna have your little mud outside.
My little butt.
Your little dog outside gardening.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Guard dog.
Well, yeah, you guys see what's about to go on. Other than that, you'll find out what goes on in the rest of this video. I'm basically just vlogging today, and we're gonna see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So he about to copy me with this. Like you guys said, he is my son.
Bro, stay off the internet.
bro, I'm just playing. But yeah, so we about to get these on. I'm pretty sure it's the same way how you took these off. So we're gonna, just in case we'll look at a video, but yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we make some progress. All right.
Working on F30, first mod, you feel me?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, this,
Yeah.
got a separate one. I thought they were the same size.
Nah, bro.
Alright, sequentials in. You feel me? Smoke sequentials.
Yup. All right. Now we gotta get the other side. So let's hurry up.
And we gotta put the mirror cap on too. But
Chop,
we're
chop.
gonna do the other side and then reassemble all that. Yo,
Chop,
relax,
chop.
bro. Like, yo, this man.
Chop. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Behind the scenes of Von Hilton's Reels. Don't drop that weight.
Relax.
But yeah, so we got his sequentials on. Look at that. It's actually more that you have to do than to install mine. You gotta do a little bit more, but still get it done. It's still way easier than the Q, ain't it? Bro, the Q50 sequentials, oh my god, bro. Don't even get me started on that. You gotta take off the whole door panel, you gotta take off the whole mirror, route the sequentials, and then if you want DRLs, you gotta tap in the wire. You gotta do all that extra stuff.
It's a lot, bro. For no
But,
reason.
you know what I'm saying? It was still hard though on the Q, but, you know what I'm saying, on the BMW, it was just a lot easier. But, look at that. Hold it steady. Yeah. That's hard. So, I know you guys said that you wanted to hear my car from a third-person point of view. So, guess what we're doing in this video? We're switching cars. So, I'm gonna be in Vaughn's car. He's gonna be in my car. And, yeah. One thing is, he does not know about the front mount intake. So, I'm gonna see if he notices a difference in the sound. But, yeah. You're also gonna notice a difference in power, too. All right, bro. My audience wants to hear my car from a third-person view. So, make sure you give them something to hear.
Something to hear.
But, at the same time, you know, take it easy, bro.
Take it easy.
I don't want to put this thing on fuel reserve.
Oh, you got the gas?
I mean, I got a little bit.
Me too. I got a little bit too. I've been driving.
I think I'm straight, though. I think I should be straight.
We should be straight. Anyways.
All right.
We're gonna get to
So, you guys see I'm about to drive Zoom, this Buick. About to get in the Buick real quick. Oh, this man done open up the valves and everything. Oh, my God. Do it one more time. Woo! No. Yo, not gonna lie, them pops sound mad aggressive, bro. My pops sound mad aggressive. I don't know what's going on. He doesn't know that I have the front mount intake in my car. Let's see if he finds out. But yeah, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, Fast Life Prince. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So let's get there, man. But yeah, so we about to start this. Man does not wear a seatbelt, bro. Whatever. All right. This is not safe driving. Let me put my seatbelt on. Let's see what Zoom talking about, huh? Woo! You heard that? Damn. Damn, nigga. Okay. Zoom talking about it. Okay. All right. I see it. That thing literally just spun. Yo, that thing spun, bro. What in the world? Didn't know his car would be spinning tires like that. Alright, so now we about to hear my car from a third person. Do not take off. Don't take off yet. Oh my! Yo, nah, this thing is spinning. This thing is spinning. Woo! Go ahead. Damn, bro, this thing is spinning, bro. Yo, I'm done. Yo, that thing sound crazy, bro. Yo, that intake sound crazy, dog. You just hear that thing. Yo. Damn. Nah, that thing sound crazy, bro. Look at my machine. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Yo! I think his tires weren't warmed up, that's why it was spinning so much. Oh, bro, you hear that? Woo! Yeah, bro. This car is fun. Woo! My shit. Watch this. Oh my! Hey, bro, watch out now. Damn. That man wilding up. That was a nice little drive. Alright, bro, chill out, bro. Know how to do what?
There's a way to make the spool sound louder.
Really?
Bro.
It was spooling loud?
Like, yeah, there's a way how to do it. I'm figuring it out.
How you do it?
Bro, alright. I'm gonna say, roll the windows up. I'm gonna take you a drive in your car. I'm gonna just go right here.
Go right there? Alright, hold on.
I'm like, bro, this shit, it never sound like that when you drive. I'm like, boom, I'm like, what?
Yeah, you hear that spool, ain't
It
it?
sound like a blow. I'm like, nah, that shit sound crazy.
That's hilarious, bro.
That's like MST.
Uh-huh. Okay.
That sound crazy.
Okay. But see what this man talk about.
That sound wrong, bro.
It sound raw.
I was like, bro, I need that.
The pop sound louder too, ain't it?
Yeah, it does.
Shit sound mad aggressive.
I had that sport individual.
Yeah, sport individual. You mean sport plus, right?
No, it was a sport individual.
Why you putting a sport individual? I don't have my individual set up.
Oh, I don't know. What is that?
That's, you know, if you don't use blinkers and you change the lane, it doesn't steer you back.
Oh. It ended up. But you gotta be in, well, I figured out you gotta be in second gear to do it.
Okay.
Let me go to second gear. Now listen.
Oh my! Yo, my shit.
It's like the lower gear you're in, like the higher, like say for instance you're in a low gear,
Yeah.
and you let it build up the RPMs, that's
Yeah.
when it like spools up louder.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna do it again. Let me go back this way.
I'm also getting like a little outside clip too. Woo! Yo, that been crazy.
Hey, I was like, what the fuck?
Nah, it's pulling harder though, ain't it?
Yeah, cause you gotta let it build up.
That thing pulling. All right, let me get an outside clip. Stop right here.
Bruh, I was like, what the fuck? I'm like, nah, you ain't got no blow up valve.
Nah, that thing's spooling up too. Like, it's pulling harder, bro. You remember how to do a launch, right? Hold on. Yeah, so over once. All right, that's one. Traction off once. That's auto start stop, bro.
Oh, I'm tripping.
That's auto start stop, bro.
My bad.
All right, sport traction, and then brake all the way, floor 3 seconds, and then let go.
Brake all the way, floor 3 seconds.
Yeah. Yo, bro. Oh my! Stop! But damn, nigga.
Brake all the way.
Bruh,
Still sliding.
thing got too much power.
Hey, hold on, let me back up real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, damn, that bitch sliding.
Brakes probably need to get warmed up. That's why. All right.
Down, over
once.
Brake all the way.
Yeah.
And then floor it all the way.
Yeah.
Still sliding.
Bro, hold on. Yo, what in the world? Push P.
Push and V.
Push P.
Watch, bro. Your shit gonna be sliding.
Ain't no way, bro. Teach you for drag my shit. Oh, let me get the key real quick. Let me show this man how to launch the car, bro.
You've seen it. I literally did exactly what you just told me to do.
Yeah, all right. Here we go. I told you this man doesn't know how to launch my damn car, bro. That's crazy. Right, he really notices the difference. Yo, all right, I'm gonna let him launch it now. All right, come on.
This man had a straight in his face.
Because, bro, you don't know how to launch the shit, bro.
Nah, he about to launch his car.
Show this man how to launch the car.
Nah, but you seen it. I literally did exactly what you just told me to do. It was breaking all the way. I don't know.
Bro, I did it first try. What in the world is going on, man?
Bro, I don't know, bro. Look.
All right, bro, get it right this time. Damn, my shit look good.
There you go.
Damn. Woo! Yo, my vents are closed. Why are they closed? Oh, now it's open. Woo! My vents are open now, yeah. There we go. Because my car was just sitting. All right, bro, park it up, bro. No, my vents are still closed. Why are they closed? I'm about to show this man what's going on.
I got it right this time.
Finally. Yep, now they open. Bruh, look at that shit, bro. Look at that shit. Damn! That's what you hearing, bruh. Yeah.
Oh, so you got an intake.
Front mount intake, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why I was at that shop the other day. Yeah.
okay.
That's what you were hearing, bro.
There's no way your intake sound crazy like that before. Smell funny, bro. Front mount intake.
I've told you, bro.
You going fast for us? Okay. Just watch, bro. I'm about to be done, my. Wait.
Bro, look at
You're
that.
doing what I did before, which was fast spark before.
So, I wasn't able to have the turbo inlet routed to it, but Winston is going to try to finesse his way into have
So
the
you don't have the
inlet.
turbo inlet right now?
No.
Only the
It's
front.
literally just the intake. That's all you're hearing. And that intake is loud as shit.
I see.
You hear the spool, and you actually feel a difference on pulls.
Yeah, no shit. Cause I'm like, bro, it was not feeling like it sounded like that before.
Yeah. So,
Oh, okay.
bruh.
Sneaky guy.
What are you talking about? I let you know.
Nah, watch, bro.
Okay.
When this is single upgraded turbo, all that, don't say nothing, bro. Don't
Single
say
upgraded.
Don't say
Wow. So you're not gonna tell me when you're not gonna tell me when you get your mods.
Nah, you just gonna hear that shit loud as
Oh really? All right. I'm gonna start hiding stuff for you then. All right. Cool. I guess that's how we doing it.
Oh, man.
Nah, bro,
Nigga,
that
you
thing
didn't tell me you had an intake?
I told you now.
Nah.
Bro, this is the first time we linked up since I got it done.
So what else you got then?
That's it. I was supposed to get.
Oh yeah, cause you know boy like wilding out just like you.
There go that boy Vernell. Oh my! Yo, what's good, bro? That shit sound crazy. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn. There go that boy Vernell. Hear them intakes, bro. Shit.
Like that. What are they talking about? Bro, that shit sound crazy. Hold on.
Bro, from the outside, it sounded like crazy. Cause I heard it from the outside from the first time, bro. That was my first time hearing it from the outside. It sounded amazing. So we got my boy Vernell here. Remember this car? If you guys been watching my videos, so he's from mount intake, downpipe, muffler delete. Are you full downpipe or lower?
Here goes slow.
There go Danny. Nah, he right there. So what are you? Full downpipe?
Yeah, not full down. Like this,
Just the lowers.
Yeah, just
Okay, so he's lower downpipe, front mount intake, JB4, muffler delete. Here you go, Danny, bro. Woo! My shit. My shit. So yeah, so we gonna get a little something in Mexico, cause remember when I had Big Slime, it was like right next to his car. So I'm trying to see, you know, what the difference is. I don't know. I think you are gonna win, cause like you above 400 horsepower with the JB4.
Yeah, JB4. Probably,
Yeah.
like just 4.
So it's a Red Sport Q50 all-wheel drive too. So on the
I say just
JB4.
4. I say 4.
That boy did it. That boy see it. Bench closed, I hear
I
it.
said, bro, I'm like, bro, your inlet didn't sound like that before, bro. So when
Exactly.
I'm driving, I'm like, that sound like a blow-off valve.
Yeah, even with the bench closed, you can hear it. I'm like, bro, I think it's crazy. Yeah, we got boy Danny. Me and the boy Vernell, we gonna get a little run in. Dig in 30.
30?
30 roll?
Wait, isn't it 40 is good for the Q?
All right, digging 40. It don't matter. Any roll.
Well, the cars.
Yeah, the cars. Yeah, we gonna do an on foot roll. Ready? Yeah. But yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. But yeah, man. Here you go, Vernell's Q50. Make sure you guys go follow Vernell. Go follow Vaughn Hilton. Go follow Danny, El Stesso. The boy checking out the intake. About to get it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Now I'm saying what you guys think. But it's gonna be in the next video. So yeah, or it might be in this one. Who knows? Who knows, man? I wanted to do it when I was stock just to see the difference, but it's whatever. Cause then again, Big Slime wasn't stock when I ran him.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're gonna do a dig right here. Yeah. You ready?